I've missed you a lot, but coming soon in full swing as before. Yo, I miss you all, guys. Fruit season is here. Look at that big pineapple. Oh, I'm yet to just slice it, dice it now. Just now. What about the mangoes? Look at the mangoes. Huh? Mangoes, guys. Big mangoes, small mangoes. We also have lemon here for your tea, for cold, for food seasoning. Yes, guys. We have to eat healthy. Keep working out, eat healthy. Take plenty of water. Don't forget to work out. I'm gonna just peel the pineapple now, chop it, dice it. So if you wanna eat the pineapple, enjoy the pineapple with me or the mangoes, please leave me a comment and tell me what you think about eating fruits. So at the meantime, we have to water the plants. These are my spider plants. I love them a lot. The one up here, I've already watered it, so it's good. I like putting them in my laundry room because there's a window, they can get some sun. And yeah, there's another one here. Lovely plant. Oh my god, I love my plants. I've put a wire mesh on my laundry window just to keep the bugs away. Madam flowers, guys, flowers. Oh, flowers everywhere. My god, it's good to appreciate nature, right? I love plants. So here, back to our fruits. It's time to make them fruits. Eat healthy, keep your body hydrated, have enough sleep, get some enough rest, and it's the way it is. Look at that beautiful tree, brush tree. Yeah, very beautiful, right? Beautiful ambient atmosphere. How do you love it, guys? Leave me a comment, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, share, continue supporting me as we prepare for working out tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye.